Imagine starting your day with a burst of flavor that also protects your kidneys and detoxifies your body. What if I told you that just 3 simple fruits could transform your morning routine and supercharge your kidney health? Stick around because at the end of this video, I'll reveal a powerful detox juice recipe featuring these game-changing fruits. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Let's kick things off with the jewel of fruits, the pomegranate. Seriously, have you ever just stopped and looked at how beautiful a pomegranate is? It's like a work of art, and the inside is even more impressive. These ruby red powerhouses are absolutely loaded with antioxidants like punicalagins and anthocyanins. Now you might be thinking, what exactly are antioxidants and why should I care? Well, my friends, antioxidants are like little warriors that fight off damage in our bodies. Specifically, they combat something called oxidative stress. Think of oxidative stress like rust forming on a car. Over time, that rust can cause serious damage. The same thing happens in our bodies, and the kidneys are particularly vulnerable. Oxidative stress is a major culprit behind inflammation and damage to these vital organs. But here's where pomegranates come in to save the day. Those powerful antioxidants I mentioned, punicalagins and anthocyanins, they're like rust-proofers for your kidneys. They help neutralize those harmful molecules that cause oxidative stress, keeping your kidneys healthy and happy. And that's not all. Pomegranates also boost nitric oxide levels in the body. Nitric oxide is like a signal flare that tells your blood vessels to relax, which improves blood flow. And guess what needs good blood flow to function properly? You got it, your kidneys. So, how can you incorporate more of this kidney-loving fruit into your diet? It's super easy. You can sprinkle the seeds over your cereal in the morning, mix them into some yogurt for a tasty snack, or even blend them into a smoothie for a sweet and tangy treat. Just remember, like with anything, moderation is key. Next up, we have another antioxidant superstar, blueberries. Don't let their small size fool you. These little guys are nutritional powerhouses, especially when it comes to kidney health. We already talked about the importance of antioxidants, and blueberries are bursting with them, particularly a type called anthocyanins. Remember how I said antioxidants are like warriors fighting off damage? Well, anthocyanins are like the special forces of the antioxidant world. They're incredibly effective at combating free radicals, those pesky molecules that contribute to oxidative stress and cell damage. But the benefits of blueberries don't stop there. They're also packed with vitamin C, another potent antioxidant that supports your immune system and helps protect your kidneys from damage. And let's not forget about fiber. Blueberries are a good source of fiber, which is essential for digestive health. A healthy gut means less strain on your kidneys, as they're responsible for filtering out waste products. Here's an interesting fact. Did you know that blueberries can even help manage cholesterol levels? It's true. They contain compounds that can help lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind that can build up in your arteries and lead to heart problems. And since your kidneys and heart work so closely together, keeping your heart healthy is crucial for kidney health as well. So, how can you enjoy more of these tiny but mighty berries? The possibilities are endless. Toss them into your oatmeal in the morning, blend them into smoothies, or even enjoy them in a batch of homemade blueberry pancakes. 3 apples, keeping your kidneys happy, 1 bite at a time. You know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, it turns out there's a lot of truth to that, especially when it comes to your kidneys. Apples are a fantastic fruit for supporting kidney health, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. First and foremost, apples are a great source of fiber, and not just any fiber, but a special type called pectin. Pectin is like a superhero for your digestive system. It acts like a sponge, absorbing water and adding bulk to your stool, which helps keep things moving smoothly. But here's where it gets really interesting for your kidneys. Pectin also has the amazing ability to bind to cholesterol in your digestive tract and prevent it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. This is huge because high cholesterol can damage your blood vessels, including those in your kidneys, leading to kidney disease. And that's not all. Apples are also naturally low in potassium, which is a big deal for people with kidney problems. When your kidneys aren't functioning properly, they can have trouble removing excess potassium from the blood, which can lead to a dangerous condition called hyperkalemia. So choosing low potassium fruits like apples is a smart choice for those monitoring their kidney health. But let's not forget about the deliciousness factor. Apples are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in so many ways. Slice them into your oatmeal, pair them with some nut butter for a healthy snack, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie. So there you have it, 3 incredible fruits that can make a real difference for your kidney health. But you didn't think I'd stop at just 3, did you? Here are 10 more fruits your kidneys will thank you for. Papaya, grapes, cranberries, pineapples, cherries, strawberries, watermelon, blueberries, and apples. Each of these fruits brings its own unique set of benefits to the table, from fighting inflammation to boosting hydration to protecting against kidney stones. And hey, stay tuned because I'm about to share that powerful detox juice recipe featuring these game-changing fruits. It's going to be epic. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Until next time, stay healthy.